I read a story of a young man by the name of Justin Mutawasim. Justin having this dream to become a pilot from a young age. He was discouraged early on by his teacher because he didn't have perfect vision. He wore glasses as a young 5-year-old. How many of us get discouraged by people who mean well, teachers, parents, family members at young ages, and they really don't even know? The guy who discouraged him was a teacher. He wasn't a pilot. Justin becomes discouraged from that young age, grows up and decides, well, okay, I'm going to take this track, go to college to become a broadcaster. 2 years into his college career, he drops out of college. See, when you are walking a path that's not in alignment with you, when you have a calling, when you have a dream that's calling to you, a lot of other things are going to feel in conflict. They're going to create anxiety, or they'll create uncertainty in you, and you end up trying a lot of things, failing at a lot of things. There's nothing wrong with that. But sometimes when you're trying and failing and jumping from thing to thing to thing, you need to stop and pause and say, am I doing the thing that my heart's really asking me to do, or speaking to me to do, or calling to me to do? So he gets a job as a ramp agent at an airline. Ramp agent are the men and women who help us and serve us by loading bags into the airplanes. And sometimes you don't see the way clearly to your dream, but you can get within the field. You can get close to it, so that way you can start to learn and absorb and maybe find an opportunity. He met his would-be mentor, a gentleman who saw something in him and gave him a quote-unquote flight plan, essentially just a plan to achieve that goal. This was around 2016, and at that time, Justin enrolled in pilot school, wherever they go, was able to complete his licenses in one short year. And from there, from 2016, 4 years later, 2022, Justin found an opportunity with Delta and is now a pilot flying Boeing 767s with Delta. 6-year journey. He went from ramp agent, where his dream in his mind was likely lost, to now being a full-fledged pilot. What can you do when you get around the right people? What can you do when you share your dream with the right people? What can you do when you're willing to dream again, even when it feels lost? For Justin, it was going from ramp agent, college dropout, to becoming a pilot, fulfilling his dream. What could it be for you?